Every generation brings with it a device that changes the way we think, the way we create, and the way we connect. The iPhone has always stood at the intersection of technology and imagination. And now we step into a future unlike any before, introducing the iPhone 17 series. This is not just one phone. It is a family, carefully designed to meet every need, every dream, and every lifestyle. 4 models, one vision. The iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Each one unique, yet all united in a mission to redefine what a phone can be. The iPhone 17 Air is impossibly thin, astonishingly light, and crafted for those who want elegance without compromise. The standard iPhone 17 brings the perfect balance of performance and design, made for everyday brilliance. The Pro takes power to the next level with advanced features built for creators and professionals. And at the very top, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the ultimate iPhone experience, combining scale, strength, and groundbreaking innovation. Every detail has been rethought. Sculpted from aerospace-grade materials, each phone in the iPhone 17 lineup is thinner, lighter, and stronger than the generation before. Smooth edges, seamless curves, and a finish so refined that it feels less like a device and more like an extension of your hand. Look closer, and you'll discover the most advanced display ever created for a smartphone. The Super Retina XDR Plus display redefines clarity and brilliance. With richer contrast, true-to-life colors, and peak brightness that adapts to any environment, your world has never looked this vivid. From the compact Air to the immersive Pro Max, every frame, every image, and every video shines in cinematic clarity. Inside, the new A19 Bionic chip transforms the way you experience performance. Built for speed? Yes. But more than that, it's built for intelligence. Complex tasks become simple. Gaming feels like console-level immersion. Creativity flows with seamless editing, rendering, and multitasking, all while using power more efficiently than ever before. Photography, too, enters a new era. The iPhone 17 series brings professional imaging to everyone, everywhere. With next-generation computational photography, enhanced night mode, and AI-powered image processing, your photos look extraordinary in any condition. Portraits glow with lifelike depth, landscapes sparkle with detail, and motion is captured with precision so real, it feels alive. Video is equally transformative. Cinematic stabilization, ultra-high frame capture, and intelligent HDR Plus deliver film-quality video right from your pocket. Whether you're shooting a quick memory with friends or producing a short film, the iPhone 17 ensures that your vision looks its very best. Power is nothing without endurance. And that's why the iPhone 17 family introduces revolutionary battery optimization. Adaptive learning extends usage throughout your day, while the new fast charge system gives you hours of power in just minutes. It's not just longer lasting, it's smarter, learning from the way you use your phone to deliver energy where you need it most. Connectivity takes another leap forward. With 5G at lightning speeds, Wi-Fi 7 for next-level bandwidth, and built-in satellite communication for true global reach, the iPhone 17 keeps you connected from the busiest downtown to the most remote corner of the world. This is connection without limits, and safety remains at the heart of the experience. Advanced crash detection, emergency SOS via satellite, and enhanced privacy features ensure that your iPhone is not only powerful, but also deeply personal and protective. Together, these features do more than add up. They create harmony. The iPhone 17 Air, 17 Pro, and Pro Max rise together as a unified vision of the future. Side by side, they spin through the cosmos of innovation, each one glowing, each one contributing, each one a star in a greater constellation of brilliance. This is the iPhone 17 series, a family born from imagination, crafted with precision, and destined to inspire. And as we look ahead, we see more than just devices. We see tools of creativity. We see gateways to connection. We see companions that adapt, that protect, that empower. The iPhone 17 series is not only about technology, it's about the people who hold it, the stories they tell, and the future they will create. So whether you choose the lightness of the Air, the balance of the 17, the power of the Pro, or the grandeur of the Pro Max, know this, you are holding the future, reimagined. This is not just a phone. This is possibility, design, and imagination united. This is the iPhone 17 series. Welcome to what comes next.